The drill grinding machine BSG 60 from Kaindl is unique of its kind. It offers a real alternative even to larger and to much more lavish machines. Its robust style, its high precision, as well as its little space requirement make the BSG 60 an essential assistance and a real cost-cutting measure. Using this machine, adjusting and sharpening drills is easy, so everybody is in a position to grind a variety of drills at almost every imaginable angle. The patented reversing prism system produces highest precision and cutting-edge symmetry. A well-thought-out concept, as well as the possibility to interchange all wearing parts easily, make Kaindl's BSG 60 essential for your company just for many years to come.